have Saint Ignacius of the Church of Emacs. I bless your computer, my child. Emacs started out as an extensible text editor that I wrote, which became a way of life for many users because it was extended so much they could do all their computing inside Emacs. And then it became a church with the launch of the news group alt.religion.emacs, which you might be amused to visit. In the Church of Emacs, we have no services, only software. And we have a great schism between several rival versions of Emacs, and we also have saints, but no gods. Instead of gods, we adore the one true editor, Emacs. To be a member of the Church of Emacs, you must recite the Confession of the Faith. You must say, there is no system but GNU, and Linux is one of its kernels. Then, if you become a real expert, you can celebrate that with our ceremony, the Fu Bar Mitzvah, in which you chant lines from our sacred scriptures, which are the system source code. Then, also we have the cult of the Virgin of Emacs. The Virgin of Emacs means anyone who has never used Emacs. According to the Church of Emacs, offering the Virgin the opportunity to lose Emacs virginity is a blessed act. So please do introduce people to Emacs. We also have the Emacs pilgrimage, which consists of invoking all the commands of Emacs in alphabetical order. Now, that's a big job. So there is a Tibetan sect that believes that it's sufficient to invoke all these commands automatically under control of a program. But the mainstream church believes that to get spiritual merit, you need to type them by hand. The Church of Emacs has certain advantages compared with other churches I won't name. For instance, to be a saint in the Church of Emacs does not require celibacy. But it does require living a life of moral purity. You must exorcise whatever evil proprietary operating systems have possessed computers under your control or set up for your regular use, and then install a wholly free operating system where holy can be spelled in more than one way, and then only use and install free software with and on the system. If you make this vow and you live by it, then you too will be a saint, and you'll have the right to wear a halo if you can find one, because they don't make them anymore. People have sometimes asked whether it is a sin in the Church of Emacs to use the other text editor, VI. It's true that VI is the editor of the beast in Roman numerals, but using a free implementation of VI is not a sin, it's a penance. And people have sometimes asked whether my Halo is really an old computer disk. This is no computer disk, this is my Halo. But it was a computer disk in a previous life. So, thank you.